Hey YouTubers, the Son of Abba here. I'm going to talk about the JP Morgan second quarter earnings and potential impact. So I follow JPM pretty closely, and I actually think they're going to miss second quarter earnings by quite a bit. There's all sorts of indicators pointing to that. The IG9 loss, which is still mostly unrealized, it's reported that it's at a 4.2 billion loss. But if you watch Jamie's interviews, after the Senate hearings with CNBC, he said that he was going to fully disclose everything in the July 13th shareholder conference. So, yeah, and that was real negative the way he said it, his posturing. He deflected all questions of that. So it sounds like to me that it's going to be worse than expected. Of course, things could get lucky for JP Morgan and it's not a loss, but one of two things can happen. They beat earnings, which I highly doubt it, or they miss earnings. And I don't think the market has JPM missing earnings by a whole lot discounted into the price. So yeah, just look for that. Also, July 9th is going to be a key date for the EU finalizing any deals about the ESM facility and making sure that that passes in order to loan out euro bonds to sovereign nations. And then also mid-July, probably by July 20th, Greece will run out of cash effectively to fund its banks, its failing banks, and its debts. So it'll be interesting to know what happens this month. I think there's a good chance Greece leaves the euro this month. Not only that, they could leave the EU, and then that could send a conversion currency crisis to Italy, Spain, France, and even maybe Portugal and a couple other countries. But yeah, look for these three big events happening, and then of course any time you have central bankers speaking, it's another big event, and Bernanke's set to give a speech, I believe July 20th. Don't quote me on that, I'll check it, and then update you if it is different. But just keep those in mind, in the back of your mind, that these are things that are going to be going on over the month and potential big events that could sway the markets one way or another. And I do see QE3 coming. I'll make another video about that one though, since this one's long enough right now. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed it, and rate me and give me comments. Thanks. Bye.